Welcome back. We're going to be discussing how to track our budget with Google Sheets. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create those percentages for yourself and your budget, as well as how to record transactions within Google Sheets. That actually might be a part two. We'll see how long it takes for us to bang out this first budget. I also want to state that you will need to have created percentages for your tracking by hand that we just did, but I am going to be showing you how to come up with those percentages in Google Sheets because it's way easier to do the math. So we're going to automate it a little bit in a way with software. So this is going to be a step-by-step walkthrough here. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to google.com/sheets. From there, you're going to log into your Google or Gmail account. Or if you don't have one, you're going to need to create an account. I am not going to show you how to create an account because I feel like you probably already know how to do that. Once you're logged in, you're going to see a page like this. You're going to want to hit the big fat plus right here to create a blank sheet. And then we're going to dive right into it. We're going to be doing a live demo. So I will meet you over in Google Sheets. See you there.